heartwarming event and to let everyone come for the same reason. Everyone's happy here, and it's just a nice way to end the weekend because they don't finish late, so like little kids can go to bed and stuff after, go to school after. But I've just come back from travelling in Amsterdam, so came here and me and my family just wanted to do something all together rather than separate, and we just wanted, because it's not expensive, so like everyone can get in and it's just a heartwarming event really.
It's quite good just to socialise with friends, so like getting a few people together in one area, like sort of like not a night out, but sort of like a more relaxing, chilled evening. Like I quite enjoy that aspect to it.
Been planning to go here with friends, and since I heard it's the biggest fireworks event in Derby, I would like to go see that, of course. Also, we don't have this kind of event in my home country, so excited to see all these fireworks and of course try new food. There's lots of good food stands here, candy floss and new food that I haven't tried before.
We brought our granddaughter for the first time, so come with my husband and my son and his partner, and we brought our granddaughter who's 4, so she's not really seen big fireworks before, so we brought her along, so lovely, really nice, that's why we come. And of course I suppose she'll twist our arm. We've had a couple of rides with her, and then we're going to have a couple more before we take her back home, or she has to go to school tomorrow morning. Well, if it was very rainy, like we said today, if it was going to be really, really wet and rainy today, we wouldn't have come, because obviously a 4-year-old, you can't have her out in the wet and the cold. So with the weather turning really nice, we decided to come. So yes, I heard some places had to cancel because they've had the wind and the rain, so not good to stand out in the rain, not for me anyway. So luckily it was nice weather.
It'd have been disappointing, but I mean, I've been lucky with the weather, with it staying dry, and then the ground's really firm. I'm dead surprised because where I live, it's been very wet, so thankfully it's not been cancelled, but I would have been disappointed, yeah. The fireworks are really important. It's a tradition, a traditional British cultural thing to do, and it's nice to see so many people out and enjoying themselves, so that's the main reason for attending.